The Pi Network project has entered the open mainnet phase, but many people still don't fully understand the bigger picture of this project. Today's video will share with you the most important things you need to know and understand about Pi Network at this stage. Make sure you truly understand Pi Network before deciding what to do with your Pi coins. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Together, we are making history with Pi Network. The first important thing you need to know: Pi Network has a total supply of 100 billion Pi coins, but at this open mainnet stage, only 6.1 billion Pi coins have been migrated to Pi blockchain's mainnet. However, 4.5 billion of these Pi coins are locked by pioneers to increase their Pi mining rate. This means that in reality, only 1.6 billion Pi coins are available for transactions on the market. Remember this key point: only 1.6 billion Pi coins are actually circulating in the market. So, if you're new to Pi Network and worried that everyone has too many Pi coins, you are mistaken. Now let's move on to the next point. Pi coin distribution on the blockchain. This chart represents the current distribution of Pi coins across all Pi wallets on the blockchain. There are only 10 million wallets on the blockchain out of the 65 million pioneers mining Pi coins. 80% of these wallets hold less than 10 Pi coins, which means that most pioneers have locked up their Pi coins, believing in Pi Network's long-term growth. Instead of selling, they continue to mine more Pi. Only 5% of wallets hold more than 1,000 Pi coins. This is why a massive Pi sell-off will not happen. Unlike meme coins that flood the market with supply, Pi Network has been mined consistently over 6 years. Listing Pi on exchanges won't pressure pioneers to sell immediately. If the price is too low, they will buy more or simply hold on to their Pi coins. This is the strong mindset that Pi Network has built within its community. The exchanges listing Pi Network are doing so entirely on their own. The Pi Core team has no involvement in this process. OKX, Mexi, Huobi, Bybit and others have listed Pi just like how Bitcoin is listed on all exchanges. In the future, we will see Pi coin being traded in the same way. If you decide to trade Pi coin, choose reputable exchanges. However, never sell all your Pi coins at once. If necessary, only sell 10% at a time. At first, Pi coin's price may experience large fluctuations, but after a few months, when the Pi Network ecosystem stabilizes, its value will increase steadily based on the growing number of Pi Network users. Protect your Pi coins carefully. It's best to store them in multiple exchanges and in your Pi mainnet wallet for security.